CoinGecko is not a platform where you can store or withdraw funds. It's a cryptocurrency data aggregator that provides real-time price data, market charts, and insights for various cryptocurrencies. Many users visit CoinGecko to research or track their investments, but it does not handle any transactions, withdrawal, or deposits. If you want to withdraw your money, you will need to go to the cryptocurrency exchange where your assets are stored, like Binance or Coinbase. CoinGecko helps with tracking, not managing funds or handling transactions. So, in summary, CoinGecko is for data, not for holding or withdrawing funds. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.